Your home might look spotless. Floors vacuumed, sheets washed, everything organized. But what if thousands of microscopic creatures are still living around you? Dust mites are one of the most common hidden residents inside American homes. And surprisingly, they love clean houses just as much as messy ones. That means cleaning alone doesn't always solve the problem. Sometimes the way we clean actually helps them survive. One common mistake? People focus on visible dirt, but dust mites feed on something you can't see. Every day, people shed tiny flakes of skin. And for dust mites, that's basically an all-you-can-eat buffet. Another mistake happens in the bedroom, the place where people try hardest to keep things clean. Beds are actually one of the favorite places for dust mites to live. Why? Because beds provide warmth, humidity, and plenty of skin flakes. Even freshly washed sheets can become comfortable homes again within days. Carpets are another place people often underestimate. Vacuuming helps, but it doesn't always remove everything hiding deep inside the fibers. Stuffed furniture like couches can quietly collect the same invisible food supply. And here's the strange part. Most people never see them because dust mites are incredibly tiny. But even though they're tiny, their presence can still affect the air inside your home. That's why understanding where they live is more important than simply cleaning harder. Because the real issue isn't always dirt. It's the environment inside the home. The cleaner your home looks, the easier it is to forget what's happening on a microscopic level. And that hidden world is often where dust mites quietly thrive. The key is awareness. Once you know where they live, their presence becomes much less mysterious. Hidden life exists in almost every home, even the ones that look perfectly clean. So the next time your home looks spotless, remember, there may still be an entire invisible ecosystem around you. If you enjoy discovering the hidden science inside everyday homes, subscribe to Fresh Home 24 for more surprising facts.